These two are the mini cameras that are going viral right now. And I know they look very identical, but hopefully you get to decide which is the better camera for you. Hi, I'm Mikey and I do tech reviews, and you can also find me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. The Kodak Charmera, I got it as a gift from open source. The G6 thumb camera naman, I got this from TikTok pero available din siya sa Shopee. I'm going to do a battery test pala while filming this video. Right now, it's 3:40 p.m. and I will try to keep these open kasi nagsasleep yung both cameras kapag idle. So, try ko siyang pindutin every now and then. Now, let's look at the physical appearance of both cameras. Now, I mentioned previously na identical talaga sila. We get a power button, shutter button, a viewfinder, speaker, flash, up and down button, play button. We get a USB-C port for charging and getting your files, a light indicator, and a micro SD card slot. It really looks as if it was just manufactured by one company lang. Another difference is that with the G6 thumb camera, as you can see, medyo nakaangat tong part na to and mas malaki yung glass cover niya. While with the Kodak Charmera, dito lang yung lens niya in the center and we get a very small glass to protect it. So, kapag nadumihan siya, medyo mahirap siyang linisin kasi nangyari na siya sa akin. So, you need something very small to really wipe it off. Unlike the G6 na medyo malaki yung area niya na pwede mong i-wipe off. Yung viewfinders pala nila both, glass lang siya. So, iba yung makikita mong framing using the viewfinder versus the lens. Now, for the features of both cameras. With the Kodak Charmera, we do get the basics like taking photos, videos, and being able to edit the timestamp. And actually, yun lang. And wala ring setting to turn off the sound when taking a photo or turning the camera on and off. With the G6 camera, same then, you can take both photos and videos. But this one, you can actually take audio only. We get a lot of settings, parang sa other digital cameras. And my favorites are the timer, the exposure setting, and the white balance. You can also remove the sound and the beep on this camera, and you can even turn off the screen so you can be very discreet when taking photos and videos. Now it's time for the sample photos. I'm very happy with the sample photos using both of these cameras. Parang pang 10 ko na atang mini cameras to. And I just like the effect na very old school or like sobrang baba ng quality ng photos. With the Kodak Charmera, the aspect ratio is 4:3 and 16:9 for the G6 thumb camera. The Kodak camera is less saturated and medyo blown out yung highlights niya. And I also agree with the comments na yung G6 naman mukha siyang old Nokia phones. And this isn't a bad thing ha. Depende talaga siya kung ano yung output na gusto mo. I mentioned earlier na meron silang flash both. For the Charmera, it's automatic and hindi mo siya pwedeng iset. Sa G6 naman, you can turn it on your own. Pero ganito lang yung itsura niya kapag naka-on. And honestly, parang wala siyang masyadong na-add na ilaw kapag naka-on. For the filters naman, this is where it gets exciting. And I will say it, mas gusto ko talaga yung filters and effects ni Kodak compared to the G6 thumb camera. I feel like ito yung main reason kung bakit ko gusto talaga nung Kodak Charmera. Pero I want to show you sample photos na gamit naman yung iba't ibang white balance settings. Now, here are sample videos naman and let me know ano yung mas maganda yung audio in your opinion. Here is a sample video using the thumb camera and I wonder kamusta yung audio niya. Here is a sample naman using the Kodak Charmera. Listen to the audio, let me know if this is better. Machi! Mamachi, mamachi! To be able to transfer your photos and videos, all I used was a USB-C to USB-C cable. Pero ewan ko kung bakit yung G6 thumb camera hindi gumagana kapag sa phone ko siya kinoconnect. Pero sa PC gumagana naman siya. Time check, it's 4:12 p.m. As for the battery life, we still have 2 bars for the Kodak Charmera. And then we have 1 bar left for the G6 camera. Just to add though, si Kodak Charmera, nagsasleep siya every now and then, and si G6, kanina pa siya, continuous lang na. And I feel like yung ganito kaliit, pareho lang sila ng capacity ng battery, although hindi ata yun nakalagay anywhere else. And kung gumamit pala ako ng kahit anong camera actually, pagkatapos kong mag-take ng photos or video, ino-off ko din siya agad to preserve the battery life. Okay, so overall, alin ba yung mas nagustuhan nyo? Kasi ako personally, gusto ko yung filter and effects ni Kodak. Pero gusto ko talaga yung timer and yung pag-change ng white balance for the G6 thumb camera. Also, mas mura kasi si G6 thumb camera. Pero blind box naman kasi si Kodak, so may additional element of surprise. I do hope I was able to provide you guys with some guidance, and please comment down below kung ano ba yung mas nagustuhan nyo after watching this video. Do you like the Kodak Charmera better or do you like the G6 thumb camera better? I'll add the links pala of all the cameras and the shops dito sa description box, and I hope to see you in the next video.